Yo, what's happening, everybody? Umfanaga Kamalo. Welcome to Mozambique Production. Now, I will make a video soon speaking about the whole reason why this channel is started. I understand. But what I can tell you is this. This is what I can tell you. Is the fact that this channel, it's like a sub channel Mozambique music for me to explore other parts that are linked to Israel. I understand. And first thing is first, I want to say this. The creation for this channel is thanks to the Makubo family. Bayazaz. Nkuluma Letu Makubo no Pastor Bongan Makubo. Reason being, I've met them a couple of times. I've seen them sing in two different stands. And I was like, what? First time I met them, Bashaya Ipostoli, La Piriwall, I was shocked in person. I understand? Ubeza Batula in person. And then the second time, CIG ni CGM. Yeah, CGM, yeah. They were having a combined youth service. And I also heard Pastor Makuba Atul. I was like, so these people are, and I've been wanting to tap into Ipostoli for some time. And if it wasn't for me seeing them doing what they were doing, I don't think Utle Page being a bit egalile. So big up to them first. Yes. But now I'm noticing good. They haven't been any video uploaded. This year as of 2026 and Kulumela Izola sweet melodies specifically on. I haven't seen anything. I've been looking, but so far ngithole Isaule by Izola Sweet Melodies. I think it's a music video. It put me about a year ago, and yeah, I am reacting to Iposto Olifanda. So without wasting you guys, let's get into it. Oh, for sure, gonna add Jesus. Hey, clap and tap. Why do I keep saying Posto? Clap and tap. Sorry. Whoa.
Kwakukwendoda kwakusithiwa izingela abakholwa ayo
Kwakukwendoda kwakusithiwa
izingela
Hey, 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 I'll die. And I'm still young. But hey, hold on. Hey, wait. Yo, like it is so surreal to see this man, because here's the thing. I did get a chance to like kind of like do like a deep dive, but I didn't get a lot of information, bro. Nah, this bro is cooking something. Yeah, I mean, like, imagine ukuposta nakuzayo. Of course, most of abantu bashaya clap and tape, they've said with bakhulele Zion, right? But I never really like looked at it. I was like, until ngabuya CGM, the ICG conference, I was like, nah, fam, I have to tap into it, clap and tap. I have to tap into it, clap and tap, bro. I have to. Seriously.
izingela kwakukwindoda kwakusithiwa izingela
Like, bro, like, how do you like, man? What do I say in situations like this? Yo, usayo poster because clap and tap. I posted. Usayo clap and tap. Guys, hi guys. No. I should understand. Too indigenous, bro. No sound. It's just. And I've heard them, and in most cases I've heard. I've never heard such. Like, oh, it's about to get lit, Mos, eh?
enye imini
What is going on? Like, what is going on?
ngenye imini uSawule isithi Sawule
Hey. My guy.
Wasingelelani Sawule
And bruv, let me tell you something, nah, guys. I'm sorry to put it out like that. Nah, I am so sorry. Family, please forgive me, nah, but I'm gonna say this. Tell me, I advise you go to the Makubo family. Babonke, no, I just them by themselves. Yo, yo, hey, guys, hey, man, that family is gifted, bro. Gifted. Some people are just umfundisi kuphela. Yo, that family is gifted, bro. Yo, hey.
maqeda uSawule
Bitwa ngumbani Usawule waba nokoyika
wabethwa ngumbani
Bitwa ngumbani
wabethwa ngumbani
waba nokoyika
wawa phansi
waphansi ubusoba kusawule waba nokoyika
wawa phansi
waphansi ubusoba kusawule waba nokoyika wamemeza yelize likulu wamemeza yelize likulu wamemeza yelize likulu
Sawule sisho kahle man singasho njengabantu abaningi sisho njengabantu abadala Sawule what right wathu Jesu Sawule wathu Jesu ungizingelelani Sawule
Nah, fam. Nah. No, guys. No. No, guys. No. Ngiyala. Ngicela singaxabani. No. What an introduction to Itlap and Trap. You see this? Nah, bruh. God made this, bruh. What you mean?
Watu Sawule
Faka bisha.
Imagine this guy being your dad, bruv. This man for sure sings for everything. Bangi say saying kwa. I'm joking. I'm joking. Don't come for me, man. Imagine this. Oh my god. And when you meet him, you wouldn't even say you would not even say much. Like you would not, bro. Like you would just look at him from like he's a pretty chill, cool, laid back guy. Like he is my guy. But as soon as I say, hey, Nkosi yami. Nkosi yami. What a way yokungena ku Clip and Tap. I'm not promising to drop my reaction every every now and again, yes, because babuza yona ngapha ngapha Clip and Tap. So I have to balance the two pair. Guys, I am so sorry. I'm hearing my lyrics. I'm hearing what they're saying. I am just intrigued. I am so sorry for not breaking down. So we all know his story. Saga Saul. Saul was a man chosen by God to guide the kingdom, and then this man was sent to conquer kingdoms. This brewer gets there, kills everything. He looks at the cattle and he's like, this was fine. He went up. Oh man, I'm sure he was like, oh Lord. Now I'm taking some of these. God was like, don't take them. He's like, nah, fam, do you see this cattle? This is the freshest thing I've ever seen. God is like, my guy, I didn't say don't take it. This guy said, man, I ain't trying to hear what you say. Oh. This guy got reprimanded to a point where he got, because I la limbos. And then the song proceeds to say, okay, well, that's the story. But the song talks about how he disobeyed, and then he fell down to his knees. And then in the highest pitch, he fell flat on his face. And then in the highest voice, pitch of his voice, as loud as his voice can get, and then he said, Father, please forgive me. Why? Because he disobeyed God. Aha. Saulu prevision.
Noma ngangosingela amakhona kodwa ngahawukeza Baba wethu osezulwini baliphathwe ngobungcwele maye babigama lakho
He sat down and then started asking for forgiveness. Bruv, this has to be one of the sickest delivery I've ever heard in my life. Bruv, here's the thing. We all know with Lepente, but I mean, umuntu osezayo, not that I couldn't care, I just never had interest in it. I was like, nah. Until I saw this man twice. No, well, I've seen him more than twice, of course, but forget the numbers, man. What I'm saying is, I've seen him twice, late last year and early this year, in two different genres of the same thing, but in the same, but in a different context. But it's the same content, bruv. I've seen this man a shite up and oh, ngamuzwa nasaza. I was like, my guy. So shoot out there is R&B. Sala so is R&B, menyer. Support. Mm-hmm. Ngiza ngamandla manje ku-clap and tap. Ngiza ngamandla. Yabona manje like angidlali man. Like ngiza ngamandla manje. Look, I'm gonna do my best not to do too many things so that I don't get caught up. Like understand, like I am genuinely going to do my best, and also I'll also try ukuthi attend a festival whenever they do have a month because they be having serious competitions and events. They be having those things. I'll do my best. I'll try to do my best to go to give you a call. I'm not promising, but this is crazy, man. I mean, Postal. I Postal. Why do I keep saying Postal? Clip is so beautiful, man. Like it's wow, wow. I cannot believe Uguti. I have been sleeping on this. Anyway, in the favorite rate of our bafana, our bafana. Ubani ohlezi aphakamisa equal. Yes. And anyway, in the favorite rate of me, still stupid against Mina, I'm signing out. Adios. Danko.